Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Defenderworx quarter window louvers for all 2015 to 2018 Mustangs. These are an unpainted polyurethane quarter window louver with a matte black finish. They cost about $200 and you can see they have a very stepped louver design. They give you a little bit of a different look than some of the other options on the website. Like any other exterior mod, these are all about personal styling. You can install them right out of the box with a matte black finish, or they're also very easily paintable, so you guys can paint them if you want to. They're easy to install. I'll call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and I'll show you how we got them on the car now. Alright guys, so the first step of our install is actually going to be to flip the louver over. We're going to apply some adhesive promoter to the flat edge all the way around the louver here, and then we're going to apply the 3M tape. So I have a pair of scissors here so I can cut the tape when I need to. We're going to go ahead right now and get the promoter on the louver before we apply the 3M tape. So we're just going to apply the 3M tape on the flat surface of the louver here. We're going to leave the backing on it for now. Alright, so we do want to make sure that none of this 3M tape hangs over the edge of the louver because you will be able to see it. Alright, I'm just going to fill in this space right here with a smaller piece of tape, just because I do want to make sure I get as much 3M on here as possible. So with the 3M on the back of the louver, we're actually going to flip it over now. And once again, these are very lightweight and they do come with this matte black finish. They're very easily paintable, so you guys can paint match these if you want to, or you can install them right out of the box with a matte black finish like we're going to do today. So you do get 2 stickers from Defenderworx. They're right here, and I will say that if you're going to paint match yours and you want to put the stickers on, make sure you do it after they're painted. We're going to go ahead and just stick one of these stickers up in the corner right now before we get this on the car. So at this point, we're actually going to test fit the louver before we peel the backing off the 3M tape, just so we're really familiar with where it's going to go and how it's going to sit on the window before we go to actually install it. Another thing to say here is that you're going to want to make sure your window is as clean as possible. So you're going to want to use an alcohol prep pad or anything that'll cut through any grease or wax that could be on the window. We've already gone ahead and cleaned our window. One other thing to point out is this is a louver design, so you guys can see that you will be able to see or have some light come through this louver on your rear quarter window here. If you guys don't want to see the unfinished backing of your louver or you don't want that light coming through, make sure you pick up a quarter panel blackout decal and install that prior to installing your louver. So we're going to go ahead, test fit this on the car, and just get a really good idea of where it's going to be. So before we go ahead and get the louver installed, we're going to use 3M adhesion promoter on the window as well. We're only going to be putting it where the 3M tape is going to sit. So we're going to go ahead, just make a line around our window. Now we're going to peel the backing off the 3M tape. Now we'll just press this into place. You're going to want to make sure that you are perfectly lined up because with the adhesion promoter on the glass, the 3M tape's going to stick right away. So now I'm just going to go around the entire louver and make sure it's pushed into place. One of the nice things about these louvers is they apply to the glass, so they're going to leave your quarter window trim exposed. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind, you can always check these out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.